My name is Autumn Slaughter. I'm a fourth-year clinical psychology doctoral student at TU. My Schweitzer Fellowship for the 2019-2020 academic year is doing poetry workshops with students at Parkside's adolescent residential hospital. So they're kids ages 13 to 17 who are in a hospital for average is about a month. Sometimes kids are there for a week, sometimes they're there for 3 months. And what we're doing is going in once a week and doing poetry workshops as a way of teaching kids, one, that they have the ability to create something beautiful. They can be artists, they can do this really easily and kind of create and have that joy and self-efficacy from that. And two, that they can cope with difficult emotions by writing. I think poetry just allows people to say things that they otherwise couldn't say. Especially a lot of times with adolescents. So some of the stories that they can tell by writing it down are things that it would be too scary or seem too silly to do otherwise. And because it's in an artistic form as opposed to just kind of like journaling, like not only have they written something that communicates about them, but they've done it in something that's art. And they've done it in something that I can read and be like, wow, I really like the way you rhymed this word and this word. Or this is a really clever way of breaking up those lines. And it's something that they've made. So there's a lot of excitement there just about like, this is my creation. Like I can be a poet. And we talk in the workshops about like, if you wrote something, you're a poet. Yeah, there was one boy at Parkside who, during a workshop on unspoken rules, so rules that society might have for you that you don't follow or don't fit or whatnot, wrote a really short poem and then just asked me, hey, do you do workshops anywhere else? And the Mused organization, a poetry nonprofit I work with, actually does do similar workshops at the Cobb Center. So I kind of talked to him about that, and he said, well, I really want, if you could give this poem to the woman who does those workshops, so if they find any kids like me, she can share it with them so they'll know that they're not alone and there's someone else who really understands them, which is really, really touching and really, really cool.